Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can use accessibility feature on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you can scroll down until you find accessibility, and it's over here guys. Just tap on it. And there are a lot of features you can use from this accessibility feature. And for now, I'm just going to show you how we can optimize our accessibility with assistant menu. So if we want to turn on the assistant menu, we can click on interaction and dexterity. And we can click on the circle button to activate the assistant menu. So just tap on it. And now the assistant menu has been activated, and this is the assistant menu guys. And the assistant menu will help us to get quick access of this Android menu. We just have to tap on it, and for example, we can take a screenshot with this assistant menu, and we can quickly increase the volume and also decrease the volume right here. And we can also click on notification panel like this. Alright guys, and you can explore it by yourself, and that's how we can use accessibility feature on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.